Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted here, but I've been very busy working and editing, actually both for my Instagram and for my clients here. So I hope you will enjoy this new video. It's the unboxing of a new product, a new brand I'm working with named Wiral, and that product is Wiral Lite. I will show you in this video what's inside the box, and please stay tuned if you want to see what you can do with that kind of product. Wiral Lite is meant to film and to do shots where even a drone can go. So many impossible or inside shots you can only make with tiny FPV. So stay tuned here and on my Instagram to see what you can do with that kind of product. Without any more weight in. But before that, let's see what's inside the box. So first of all, you get user manual, the link to download the app. Actually, you can use an iPhone or an Android phone to control the Wiral Lite. There is also a remote. Please focus here. Yes, thank you. And with the remote you can control the direction, the speed of the Wiral Lite. The Wiral Lite is that thing. It's basically a motor with a mount. You can put DSLR up to 1.5 kilos. And there is you attach it and you put it on a string, and yes, it go, and then it go each ways and both ways, just to do the shots you want to plan. You have planned and you want to do. It's with provided lithium. Oh my god, lithium-ion battery. You have to charge. And under the box, some other accessories. Different kinds of adapters for chargers. The charger is here, provided with the US part, the British one. I think we also have the one for France. It's here. The main string you will have to attach on the mount, just to tighten things and to be sure that your loop, which is here, is basically well set, so your Wiral Lite will not move that much, and be sure that the weight is handled carefully. And finally, different kind of mount, just to adapt either your DSLR or even your GoPro. Basically, everything you can use to do a movie or to shoot film up to 1.5 kilos. So I'm not used to do many unboxings. Please feel good, thank you. So tell me in the comments what you would like to see from this product, what kind of feedback you want to have. And if you're not following me on Instagram, we're running a giveaway with Wiral and a friend, David, just to win the very same Wiral Lite with the remote and all the stuff and the accessories you need to make your own shots. So the link will be in the description. So if you want to enter and win this product, just follow us there and read the instruction, the full list of instruction, and you'll be set, and maybe you will gonna win this product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, put the thumb up. It's gonna help me a lot to make me do more things like that. And stay tuned here on either on my Instagram, EMXP, just to see what you can do with that kind of product. Stay tuned.